What's going on, guys? Hope you guys are doing well out there. About to do my meal prep. I'm just going to do a quick walkthrough on what I'm going to be using and how I'm going to do it. So we got white jasmine rice cooked right there. We have olive oil. That's going to be a spray. This is extra virgin olive oil. And pro tip, when you go to buy olive oil, look for single origin. Thank me later. Cracked sea salt and just some shredded cheese. Chicken that we cooked in the crock pot. And for the veggies, we're going to use edamame beans. These are phenomenal. So here's how we're going to do it. We're going to zero this out. We always go with the glass containers. We got rid of all our plastic containers. All we use is glass. So we're going to put this on here. We're going to zero it out. And for the rice, for the carbohydrate, we're going to do 85 grams. I find that when you weigh out your food, it makes it a lot easier to stay on track with your lifestyle and all that good stuff. It really helps me anyway, so I know exactly how many carbohydrates, proteins that I'm eating. So we gotta have 85, good enough. We got 86, that's good enough. We're gonna go ahead and zero that out. We're gonna go over to ounces, and we're gonna do ounces for the chicken. So I like to do about 3 ounces on the chicken. And this was cooked in the crock pot for like 6 to 7 hours. Seasonings, my girlfriend did a really good job on this, as she usually does. So we got 3 ounces of that. We're gonna go ahead and zero that out, go to units, go to grams. And this is a quick tip. When you get shredded cheese, most of the time a serving is gonna be a 1/4 cup, which is also 28 grams. That'll be 1 serving. And most of the time it's gonna be 6 to 7 grams of protein for 1 serving. So I'm gonna do half the serving. I'm gonna do 15 grams. That's gonna be weighed out just like this. Perfect. And then this is the reason why I use the salt and the olive oil. The salt is, as humans, if you're very active like me, I cardio every day, exercise 4 to 5 days a week, if not more. Very active lifestyle. We need more sodium in our diets. And I drink a lot more water. I drink about 1 gallon a day. So I will be adding more sodium to this. Plus this meal, usually about 1 hour or 2 after I get off work, after this meal, I go to do my workout as well. So I want to keep the sodium in there. We'll do about 4 or 5 sprays, extra good fats. And the also reason I do the spray of the olive oil is it helps melt the cheese better when I melt in the microwave later. Then we're going to do some edamame beans on this side. And that's all there is to it. And have a high protein meal, good carbohydrates, a great meal for when you break your fast, or if you're doing time restrictive eating. That's what I do. That's why I was going to do this, and I'll add a protein shake with that for more protein. But that's what it is. I wanted to share that with you guys. Coach Chris 25 BBTY. And as always, be better than yesterday, baby. Out.